Mama wakwaba wafreme ajoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo Afia Schwar and they one politicians enya sabiketo akra. Afia ne se mo na ne se MP bia watna ne constituency ache bia no esese no constituency for no ehwe na 2024 about to ebabetu almost sake no watna so more than 15 years more than 18 years ena ho keka ho a mo modern ehwe sa MP no mo bebo modern etu no Afia konwa so because eba ne sa omo efa enkrofo omo ho ne se bia omo adwenu nda ho eba ne se na woto aba ema MPB first term wanyade second term wanyade third term ni na siko di pumpum amunti na moto aba ede ema MP krono na mo ho ekire mo Afia Schwar ekire se 2024 abato na eba beto ne de enye se Ghana fo ye nyeme bia trasa esese ema na ye ni eda ho na Afia Schwar ne kasa mu no ena ene o kire se no Ghana ha politics akoye sika we ye politician na una wo sika na ye behwa youth ya abe omu wie university eko share politics ma na omo ye sikafo obobi ti se Sammy Gyamfi ni din o kire se Sammy Gyamfi ewie school ye hu adwuma pepe bia wa ye hu obre bia wa bo se Sammy Gyamfi ye ka sikafo wo Ghana ha youth na oka ho Afia Schwar kire se adenti enesese banisa we ye politician na o mindful enesese wo sumomo Ghana politicians politics sa woko shema wo a wo pese woko ye ni ye a wo a wo pese wo ye ni ye wunye sikenti no e na woko shem enye se Ghana fo bi e na politicians edwenye ho nti e na omo koye politics na mo mbeto minti abusuafo ye nti ense ba Afia Schwar e de etuja.
I will kill them before they kill me. Jobe kumini mi fear me kokuma say. Beshia no ma be feel chassis. Only chassis they kill. Omo boys go street and also chime yana. You're not scared of them. MPBR what did 2 term of parliament does not deserve to be there. The bullshit and the foolishness in this country must end. Obian Sobiao. Muna Shimino. Na. Yeah, the MPP they try with from anyone ne. Obi university ne. No about politics more. 4 years no way. Obi university ne. No about politics more. 4 years no way. Men can be among compare boys for Sammy Gyamfi mo fan compare or mates or money or movie school. Mon compare Sammy Gyamfi mo or mates or money or movie school. Near Obi about politics more 4 years no way. And they say yen nara. They will kill me. They can't kill me. I will kill them before they kill me. I will kill them before they'll kill me. Only chassis they kill. More boys will street and also chime in. You're not scared of them. The money is for everybody. And you know what we were about to do? Take the motherfuckers out. MPBR what did 2 term of parliament does not deserve to be there. Uncle as Gracia, we must circulate the wealth. Constituency behind your one say we are circulating the wealth. Jobe kumini mi fear me kokuma say beshia mo ma be fear only be community trust. Na be hu say Ukraine man no nkrofo nso Ukraine man. I hit like a pot because the bullshit and the foolishness in this country must end. It must end. And people feel say as a Ghana no omo rights and they omo to me and they've earned it. Motherfucker who vote here back and I mean here back. We must show them Pepe because these people they don't respect us. Mary, mommy tissue na me sweating. Obian Surobia. We will spit the facts, the truth, with no fear or favor. Yandu Obiaka, Obia Rini ho. What, mommy tissue, I'm sweating a lot. People are suffering in this country. People are suffering. Minya, you don't know. And it's a boy also will go through a lot. A boy. Oh, my kind of a boy. See, before I will talk at 300,000. You think this alcohol? This actually is coke. I don't drink alcohol. So go and give that advice to your stupid mother, because I don't drink alcohol. I spend too much money on my skin to be drinking alcohol. We need chassis, krasinima. A boy has someone to on a day. And she back at says she's going through a lot. Now, my family glasses back on her. Now, me will go to Kolebu and see. Obia wo because of 500 Ghana and Tino. Yes, season one and then a back. Yes, season one and a back. You go to Kolebu, you go to maternity wards, and man, I small more maternity wards. There are no workers there. They are broke. They couldn't pay their bills. And so you do my nurse for any do one more year. Obi fear on win a paper. Obi a fear. But should you see Jimmy dear? My glasses get to an in your Jimmy. Obi fear on win a paper. Obi at time dear. Nurse for any two omacano. They feel that Omo your mobile said to manage. I know I'm a kind of sarcasm. V8 back. V8 no motiti pop. Nana do pia. Sana drama haman sotia. Nana do drama mo kwa. Yetimi to V8 8 ne 10 edu machino. Yeton back $120,000. A top speedboat be brought 30. Bamba kwa kotoa ba momo. Mo ba kwa kotoa ba ma momo. Said ye be ya ensuo efa mo ma ye be bra mo 10,000 Ghana because omo bu mo moa. Omo bu mo emoa. I have said it with my foot. I don't give a fuck about any human being. I'm saying it again. And if I die today, bitch, I ain't dying tomorrow. And depending on most man so me community, he better come prepared. Cause me, every day, me ni musuba into my dream. V8 back 120,000 Ghana cedis. When in bed at all kolebu. When you mpado to us V8 na beto kolebu. Monko kolebu and kwashe ma rugu form. Na me jana me MP there. And what? Who is your MP? MP asam to no wafrauda. Asam to no wafrauda. Have you seen your MP before? Have you seen your MP before? MP where she another? What mean MP akasada? Because you any busu any no. And it's almost sorry na mo campaign gidi na mo this MVP. Stop fighting to make other people rich. Once we year about boy. Ya nam kase we enwan. Ya na mo feel say we enwan na mo ye nipa tie esi mo konso. Mo ye tire, mo ye nipa. Use your head. Use your head, oh, use your head. Stop making other people's uncles and their aunties rich. Stop making them rich. Can you forget our fast, baby? A friend Michael as I be there. Sika boy no. Coffee that you small boy. Power. They know their relatives. They fucking don't know you. Muna Shimino.